Good morning. It's Thursday, April 16th, and in this video, I'm going to be explaining today's assignment. So what the assignment is, why I am having you do it, and where to complete the assignment and turn it in. And I'm hoping that all of you have already watched yesterday's video. So I'm showing you my website. And yesterday's video, again, showed you how to complete a KWL chart. And I gave you the pre-reading notes for the book Night that we are going to be starting pretty soon, probably next week. All right, so if you have not turned in your KWL chart to me yet, that is in your grade as missing right now. So please get that done today and send it to me if you're able to. All right, so for today's assignment, as you can see for Thursday, there is going to be a video, the one you're watching right now, posted right here. And today's assignment is going to be to read the article Introduction to the Holocaust. And you are going to be completing this assignment on the website CommonLit. So I'm going to show you how to use CommonLit. And this is a website we have used before this year. Mainly we used it once in first semester, and then I gave you a couple extra credit optional articles that you could read on CommonLit second semester, which most of you did not do, which is fine. But again, it's been a while since we've used CommonLit. So under assignments, you'll see right here that I said that you're going to read the article on CommonLit. There's a link right here. Once you log in, the assignment should be waiting for you. So again, it should be listed under your assignments or something like that. And as you read, you are going to answer guiding questions. I will show you what those look like when I show you the website CommonLit. And then after you read the article, you will answer the assessment questions. So both sets of questions are required for you to get credit for this assignment. All right. As for logging into CommonLit, most of you already have accounts, especially if you were in my class first semester. But if you do not have an account, you're going to need to get signed up, and the codes to do that are right here. So period 0 code, period 2 code, and period 5 code. All right, if you're having trouble logging in, I would try connecting your Google account. Maybe some of you did that. Most of your usernames, if you have them, are just your first and last names, maybe with a number on the end. And as I put right here on my website, I can look up your username and reset your password if you need me to. All right, so again, I'm gonna try to not have you create too many different accounts for different websites as we are doing distance learning, but this is a really good one that we're going to use throughout the book Night. There are a lot of good articles that connect because obviously it's a true story. So we kind of want to look at the historical side of kind of the context of the Holocaust. All right. So now I'm going to go ahead and show you what CommonLit looks like and the article that you're reading today. So again, the website is commonlit.org, and once you get logged in, you should have this assignment waiting for you. So the article is titled Introduction to the Holocaust, and it is by the United States Holocaust Memorial Museum. So not really a person, it's by a museum, but that's okay. We know that that would be a pretty good source. All right, if you are using CommonLit on a computer or laptop, then there are some really cool features that I want to show you. Right here it says read aloud. If you click this, obviously the article will be read aloud to you. So just to give you a quick example.
Introduction to the Holocaust by the United States Holocaust Memorial Museum.
All right, so again, it sounds a little bit robotic, but if you're somebody who likes an audiobook, then that could be good for you. So that's one feature you can use on a computer. Again, I don't think it will work on a phone, unfortunately. Another feature that's really good is the translate feature. So you can translate any of the words in the article into a different language if that would be helpful to you. And then finally, there is a way to annotate the article. So again, this probably won't work on phone, so I'm not requiring you to annotate, but if you have a computer that you're working on, then it might be a good idea to click the annotation feature, and you can highlight text and pick your color. Maybe you want to say different colors or different things. You can also highlight text and make a comment. So again, for example, you could make a comment like this. All right, and then again, That's not required. It's just extra if you'd like to do those annotations. Okay, just a couple more things to notice is if you see these numbers right here, these are going to define certain vocabulary words for you. So I would encourage you, if you see a word you don't know and there's a number after it, to click on the number, because again, it's best to not just skip over if that word's going to be important to the meaning of the article. All right, and then one other thing that you're going to notice as you are reading are guiding questions. And these are required for you to move on in the article, and you have to get the question correct. So you'll see right here after paragraph 3, it says Q1. And the rest of the article, as you see it, would be blurred out. So you would not be able to keep reading the article without answering Q1 and getting it correct. So again, the first guiding question you'll have to answer is, what was the cause of the Holocaust? So based on the first 3 paragraphs, you should be able to get that question correct. All right, so again, you will read the whole article. Annotations are optional. It is about 14 paragraphs. It's not too long, so it shouldn't take you too long to read it. After you read the article, you're going to answer the assessment questions. So there are 10 questions, but most of them are multiple choice. Okay, so again, just make sure you are kind of referencing the article as you answer these assessment questions. Some of them have part A and part B that have to go together. So make sure that you read the questions carefully. Okay, so that's CommonLit. And again, today's assignment is to read this article, Introduction to the Holocaust. And we will keep reading articles on CommonLit throughout the time that we are reading night. So again, just today, make sure that you know how to log in, read today's article, contact me if you are not able to log in. And then of course, this is going to be due tomorrow, but it will show in your grade as missing if you don't turn it in by tomorrow, but you will not be losing any points. So again, if you're not able to get it done, then just get it done whenever you are able to, and then I will update your grade. Okay, I hope that you're all doing okay, and please get in touch with me if you have any questions, you're struggling with anything. All right, bye.